A sequential gearbox is a type of transmission used in cars, motorcycles, and other vehicles. Unlike a traditional manual gearbox, which uses an H-pattern shifter to engage different gears, a sequential gearbox uses a linear shift pattern to engage gears in a sequential order. This design allows for faster and more precise shifting, which can be particularly useful in high-performance and racing applications. Sequential gearboxes can be either manual or automatic, and they are typically controlled by a lever or paddle shifters mounted on the steering wheel. In a manual sequential gearbox, the driver must shift gears manually using the lever or paddles, while in an automatic sequential gearbox, the transmission shifts gears automatically based on input from the driver or the vehicle's computer. One of the main advantages of a sequential gearbox is that it allows for faster and more precise shifting than a traditional manual gearbox. In a traditional manual gearbox, the driver must navigate an H-pattern shifter to engage different gears, which can be time-consuming and require a significant amount of practice and skill. In a sequential gearbox, the gears are arranged in a linear pattern, which allows the driver to quickly and easily shift gears without having to think about the shifter's position. Sequential gearboxes are particularly popular in racing and high-performance applications, where fast and precise shifting is essential for achieving maximum performance. In motorsports, sequential gearboxes are often used in conjunction with a clutchless shifting system, which allows the driver to shift gears without disengaging the clutch. This can result in faster and smoother shifts, which can help reduce lap times and improve performance. Another advantage of sequential gearboxes is that they can be more reliable than traditional manual gearboxes. Because the gears are engaged in a linear pattern, there is less room for error or misalignment, which can result in less wear and tear on the transmission and less chance of mechanical failure. However, there are also some disadvantages to using a sequential gearbox. One of the main drawbacks is that they can be more expensive than traditional manual gearboxes, particularly when used in high-performance or racing applications. Additionally, sequential gearboxes can be more difficult to operate for drivers who are accustomed to traditional H-pattern shifters, as they require a different technique and level of skill. In summary, a sequential gearbox is a type of transmission used in high-performance and racing applications that allows for faster and more precise shifting than a traditional manual gearbox. While they can be more expensive and require more skill to operate, they offer significant advantages in terms of performance, reliability, and efficiency.